Good day students, this is Amit Meena, founder of Punk IAS coaching classes. In today's video, I'd like to highlight the importance of answering a particular question which are asked in mains examination, whether it is the GS 1, 2, 3, 4 or the optional paper also. So the tip what I really want to highlight is that precise answer writing skill. Now what does it really means by precise answer writing skill? It means that suppose for example there is a particular question that which is related to the current affairs, that is how RBI, what are the policies the RBI is taking care of and how it is affecting, what steps is RBI taking concerning the economic factors of India presently, how does it manages the repo rate and reverse repo rate and things like that. If there is a particular question for example asked in this context, so you need to realize that in such questions what you do not have to do is you should not be describing about when was RBI formed, what were its roles when it was formed, what were its objectives when it was formed, what are the various functions it has been carrying out. That has not been asked in this particular question. So you need to understand this very important thing. And how you should be answering this question is, if there is some basic factor you can cater from NCERT regarding some important parameter which is connected directly RBI, how does RBI, the controlling of repo rate and reverse repo rate affects the economic scenario in present ongoing India, and you have to directly answer that presently what are the various steps being taken by the RBI, how by means of monetary policy, by means of repo rate, reverse repo rate, base rate and things like that, how does the decisions which are taken in this context by the RBI, how is it affecting the present scenario in India, the economic factors which are ongoing presently. So this is the way of answering a particular question rather than hitting around bushes, because what happens is, first and foremost is the answer questions which are asked, which are either of 5 marks, 10 marks or something like that. So in these type of questions, maybe 2 marks, 3 marks also might also be there. So times have gone where you have to really give descriptive answers about 20 marks, 30 marks and so on. Now the questions which are asked are 2 marker, 5 marker, 10 marker maximum such. So in that precisely what is being asked, you will have to answer that particular thing. You will have to cater, your knowledge base has to be so much comprehensive from the ongoing reading of newspaper, what you are doing, you are listening to newspaper. Your ongoing knowledge should be so refined that you are able to exactly hit at the question and exactly able to answer what is really required. See, 2 factors are going to play in this. Firstly, you are not going to hit around the bushes. So the examiner who is checking your question will not get frustrated by checking those answers. It will hamper your performance if you are hitting around bushes and not really answering to the point. It will frustrate the examiner, so definitely he will not be so much endured to give you marks. And second important thing, it unnecessarily wastes the time of the examiner also. So better, if you do not know the answer, you can leave that particular question, try and attempt other questions, but precise answering is very, very important in the mains examination. So this is the tip in the present video I'm giving. Do keep tuned up, do like, share and subscribe. Such videos of how to tackle the various steps which are concerned to the entire UPSC civil service examination process, the IAS examination process, will keep coming on this Punk IAS coaching classes platform. Thank you very much and stay smart.